What's up, everybody? It's the Grayscale Barber bringing you a different type of post today. Instead of bringing you a hair transformation, I'm bringing you regular routine maintenance that every good hairstylist or barber should be doing. You want to be replacing your blades when they're not cutting as sharp. You want to be oiling your blades as often as possible, often between and after clients for the best performance. You want your tools to be performing flawlessly every time you execute. I couldn't find the Gold FX blade replacement anywhere because they're sold out everywhere. So instead I went with the Graphite 2.0 blade, which is exactly the same blade, just a different colorway. I don't mind the colorway per se because I'm going for performance. I need to ensure that my tools are performing their best possible performance at all times. And all you need to do this is find a clipper blade online, put a nice towel down to soften up the blow so you're not damaging anything when you're replacing it. And here I just have a small Phillips screwdriver provided by Irving Barber Supply Co. You want to just ensure the blade's not overlapping and straight when looking down the blade. Just testing the blade on the back of my palm to ensure there's no cuts. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Have a great day, folks. Link in bio.